Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to create TikTok loading animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So I will show project files you can download in my website. First step, let's go to shapes and select ellipse tool. Hold shift and make first circle. Okay. Then go to fill and select first color red. Click OK and change name red. Okay. And go to edit, duplicate or Ctrl D and move to right. Okay. This is our next color. Change fill blue. Okay. And select these colors, move to center. Okay, then select this layer, change name blue and select this all layers, press P, make new position keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift and press page down and select this red, move to right and select this blue, move to left and select this red first keyframe, Ctrl C and go to select blue and select last keyframe, Ctrl V. Okay, then go to 10 keyframe again and select first red keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V and select first blue keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V for loop animation and press N for see work area. Let's see. Okay, then select this red and hold shift, press S, open scale, make scale keyframe and go to here, change scale. Okay, and go to again last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, select these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe accent, easy. Then go to this keyframe and select this red, go to edit and split layer. Select this red 2, move to up this blue layer. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then go to search effect glow. Let's select this styles glow. Let's use this red layer and change radius. Okay, let's create new background, new and solid, add name background and click OK, move to back and go to effect search fill, select this fill and move to this solid, change color black and click OK and lock. Okay, back to red layer and change glow. Okay, let's see. Okay, select this red and select this glow effect, Ctrl C for copy, select this blue and red 2, Ctrl V for paste effect. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then select this blue and hold shift, press S, make scale keyframe, go to here and change scale 19. Okay, and go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V and select these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe accent, easy. Let's see. Okay, nice. So thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.